What are you doing? Huh? Put it back.
Here's my hoover.
No, that's not your hoover. Here's your hoover, huh? Here's Isaac's hoover.
No.
Don't play mommy's hoover. You play Isaac's hoover, okay?
Okay.
Good boy. Leave Hoover alone. Close the door.
No. No.
Close the door. Leave Hoover alone. Close the door. There's your Hoover. You play your Hoover. Isaac, play your Isaac's Hoover. Close. Stop that. Dirty. Close the Hoover. Why? Come here. Come inside. Leave the Hoover alone. Come inside. Leave it alone. Come here. Go get your own Hoover. There. Isaac's Hoover. Very nice. You don't like your Hoover? Come on. Close the door.